Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today we're sharing 15 genius outdoor gardening tool hacks that will transform your gardening experience. From clever repurposing to efficient techniques, let's dive in and make your green thumb even greener. Hack 1. Claw Hammer for Weeding. First up, the Claw Hammer Weeding Hack. This common tool can effectively remove stubborn weeds like creeping buttercup. The claw grabs the plant just below the crown while the handle provides leverage to pop it out, roots and all. This method is especially helpful for deep-rooted weeds that can be difficult to pull out by hand. Hack 2. DIY Tool Carrier. Next, let's make a DIY tool carrier. By melting drainage holes in the bottom of a dollar store bucket with a soldering iron, you can carry your tools around the garden without worrying about them sitting in water if left outside. The holes provide drainage, keeping your tools dry and rust-free, which is essential for maintaining their longevity. Hack 3. Old shower bench as garden seat. Here's a comfortable hack. Use an old shower bench as a lightweight, portable garden seat. It's easy to move around and has built-in drainage holes, preventing water accumulation during rainy days. This makes it perfect for long weeding sessions or simply taking a break while enjoying your garden. Hack 4. Repurposed Wheelbarrow Planter. Transform an old wheelbarrow into a charming planter. Simply fill it with soil and your favorite plants for a unique garden feature that adds character to your outdoor space. Not only does it recycle an unused item, but it also creates a mobile garden that you can easily reposition as needed. Hack 5. Garden Tool Holder with Sand and Oil. Create a self-cleaning tool holder by filling a pot with sand mixed with vegetable oil. After using your tools, simply insert them into the sand. This will clean them and keep them sharp while preventing rust. It's an easy way to maintain your tools without additional effort. Hack 6. Old ladders as trellises. Give your garden vertical interest with this hack. Use an old wooden ladder as a trellis. It's perfect for climbers like beans or cucumbers and adds rustic charm to your garden while saving space. Just lean it against a wall or fence and let your plants climb. Hack 7. Garden art from old tools. Turn your old tools into unique garden art. Attach old rakes or shovels to a wooden board as wall decor, or use them as plant hangers in your garden. This not only recycles unused items, but also adds personal flair to your outdoor space. Hack 8. Seedling Heat Mat. Boost your seeds starting with a seedling heat mat. These mats provide warmth for faster germination and stronger seedlings, especially beneficial during cooler months. Place your seed trays on the mat to create an ideal environment for growth. Hack 9. Multi-purpose tool holder. Here's another great hack, a multi-purpose tool holder made from an old pot filled with sand and oil. This not only cleans but also sharpens your garden tools whenever you insert them, ensuring they're always ready for use. Hack 10. DIY Seed Tape. Make planting easier with DIY seed tape. By placing seeds between strips of biodegradable paper, like toilet paper, you ensure proper spacing when planting. This method is especially useful for tiny seeds that can be hard to handle. Hack 11. Hanging garden with plastic bottles. Upcycle plastic bottles into a vertical garden. Cut large bottles in half, fill them with soil, and hang them upside down from hooks or fences. This creates space-saving planters for herbs or flowers while reducing plastic waste. Hack 12. Garden labels from old silverware. Use old forks or spoons as plant markers by bending them into shape and labeling them with permanent markers or paint. This rustic touch adds charm to your garden while helping you keep track of your plants. Hack 13. DIY compost bin from pallets. Build an inexpensive compost bin using wooden pallets. This allows you to recycle kitchen scraps while enriching your garden soil. Simply stack the pallets in a square shape and start adding organic waste. Your plants will love it. Hack 14. Boiling water for weed control. Here's a chemical-free weed killer, boiling water. Pouring boiling water directly onto unwanted weeds effectively kills them without harming the environment. Just be careful not to splash any desirable plants nearby. Hack 15. Gardening gloves with fingertip grippers. Last but not least, upgrade your gardening gloves by sewing small rubber grips on the fingertips. This modification helps you handle small seeds or delicate plants more easily, giving you better control while gardening. There you have it, 15 genius outdoor gardening tool hacks. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed these hacks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone!